Hello, Fumi Nation. How are you? I have missed you. Guess what, girls? Mama got booked. I got booked. Remember last week when I was talking about some audition or whatever? I got booked. I went for the audition. They were like, Fooms, we love you. I was like, is that right? I was so happy because it was my first booking of this year. So it took me away from you. And do you know what? I sat down there in the makeup chair, humbled, grateful for the job. And I missed you. I missed my YouTube followers. They were like, oh, what do you do, you know, in between jobs? I said, well, you know, I'm a YouTuber-ish, you know. They were like, oh, how's that going? It's hard, isn't it? I mean, how many followers do you have? Like, you know, 5, 10? I said, 200. They were like, what? I said, Fumi Nation, don't play. How are you? How are you? How are you? I've missed you. Welcome back, sunshine. How has your week been? I got a little bit of cold. Adrian is in nursery, so he gets all kind of bugs and he brings it home. But we are here pushing and doing our thing. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, welcome to positivity, laughter, fun, fabulosity. I know it's extra. You'll be like, but Fumi, where are you going? Before I start, because a lot of you ask me, Fumi, what are you wearing? I'm wearing DVF. DVF or F.D.V. Diane von Furstenberg is my OG. She's a little pricey, but she's fabulous. All these wrap dresses and everything. My mother is fabulous. She's just class act. She gave me 2 things. An MS scarf, which led to my MS addictions, and a DVF dress. 25 years ago. And I've loved them till this very day. Today my eyes are by Morphe. The palette, Cherry Coke. Gorgeous. If you want a makeup tutorial, let me know, honey. And then these are the colors. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a while. When I tell you, this is a monthly fave. Yes, my darlings. Alrighty, let's get into it. Why are we here? Because we are going to lighten up the darkest part of our knees. Why? Because we're fed up. We want that long, extended, gorgeous supermodel long leg. We want to wear the Lucite clear heels and look fabulous. Why not? Why not? For me, you're overdressed. I know. It's the fabulosity in me. Remember when I told you last week there are about 5 of us? Well, there's a particular one. She's just all glam and fabulosity. She bullies me. She's like, get dressed. Get dressed. I don't want to wear a t-shirt. Get dressed. She's fabulous though. What can I tell you? So, we are going to lighten the darkest part of our knees. How to lighten that part? You know, that's the tough part. It's tough skin. That's just what it is. Some of us have it naturally. Some of us have gained it over time. We just want to look gorgeous. Point blank. Let's get into it. As you very well know, I don't play with that turmeric. Get your turmeric. Get your lemon, because it has what? Lightening, brightening property. Lemonine. Yes, yes, yes. Get your baking soda. Put that to the side. Get your honey. That just makes the skin looks beautiful, glowing, moist, hydrating. And do not forget your whipped cream. Whip all of that together and throw it to the side. That is your holy grail. That's your mix. This is the natural way of lightening your knee over time. This component can be kept in the fridge for a week. You can use it with your discretion. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 3 times a week. You can even do it 4 times a week. You can keep it in the fridge. You can keep it for 10 days, my darlings. It is not a big deal. Not at all, okay? But before I do that, what do I get? Coffee greens. I'm not a coffee drinker, which is so bizarre because I love coffee ice cream. Coffee ice cream? Coffee? Not so much. It's just, you know, too caffeine for me. Isn't that crazy? My darling Ula is a coffee drinker. So I take the steamed granuled coffee that he has already used. That is what you want to use. Moisten your knees and go over it. There is something in coffee that really gets that stain out, that grime out, because it's a thicker part of your body. This is why I'm doing it bit by bit, so that you can see what I put in different sections of my body that works for different parts of my body. This is not, coffee is not exactly what I put in my inner thighs. I would put that, as you very well know, my grapefruit, don't play with my grapefruit. But for my knees, I use the coffee. We will do elbows next. We will do the neck. My neck went completely black when I got pregnant with Adrian. I was like, hold on 1 minute. What is happening? Am I having twins? I was like, getting scared. You know, and I had to get that going. The back of my thighs, my bottom, we will do it section by section. It's just upkeep. And over time you will see the difference. For my dark knees, I did it for give or take about a month, and you will see, because I'm going to show you the progression, and I saw the difference. I couldn't wait to get my glitter skirt on and go party. Where was I going? Nowhere in particular, but I just wanted to wear it. You know, this lockdown kind of extended to 2 years. So there you go. You have the coffee and you scrub it up dub, get it going. After that, I use my sea salt scrub, and you'll see that there. I love that as well. I've used salt also underneath my armpits. It just gets the circulation ever so slowly in the knees. I have a storefront, Amazon.com. And now that I think about it, Amazon invited me to have the storefront. I say this because I can't seem to get one for Amazon storefront UK, because you have to be invited. So at the time, I did not know that this was kind of sort of a privilege. For those of you that have any information, any more information, you let me know. I say this because you can shop for what? CLARISONIC. My CLARISONIC I live with, and you're going to see this a little bit more often as we do more of this. My little altar bag, do you see? The brush heads, I have these, which is fantastic, and this one is for my knees, and then this one elbows. Okay, so anywho, I get it going. Yeah. You really can't feel it working. So I do that. I give it 5 minutes of love. Wash that off. And then from there, I put in lightening, brightening, lemonine, baking soda, all of that. I put all of that in. You mix it all up, put all of that in, and I sit for 20 minutes. Take water, because my nails, I get my nails done. They're nice for the week. This is the only color I like. I just like it nice and bright, nice and bright. And then take water and just pour it off. Take wipes also, because you don't want to spoil any of your clothes, cloths, whatever. And just wipe that off. And you will have the most beautiful knees, legs ever. Heavy improvement. It will tingle a little bit, and then you will also see that perhaps one knee is a little lighter than the other. Don't worry about it. That's just how it works. It just means that you just take one off and let the other one stay on, so that it can really, really work. I've been doing this forever, off and on, and then I revisit it again. But I wanted you guys to see this, just to see from where I started. Like, Fumi, yes, having a baby is no joke. You're gonna go through some changes, but guess what? Mama is here to bring back that old you, that fabulous you in there somewhere from downtown, bring you all the way back uptown, so you look gorgeous. And that is it, my darlings. That is it. Like I said, we're doing the neck, we're doing the elbows, we're doing the bottom, we're doing the back of the thighs. You're going to be gorgeous, darling. Like I told you, I'm bringing out the old you back into the new you all over again. I hope you enjoyed the episode, my darlings. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to share. And I am on TikTok by default. Somebody came on and stole my bra hack. Yes, the backless. And my Fumi Nation, you guys came on through and said, we know who really did this. I mean, my face and everything. I said, girl, you're doing well, you're bold. I said, Fumi, come on to TikTok. So I'm on TikTok, and I put that there for you guys. And yeah, it is what it is. I put a quote up, and I put that here as well. And it really for you guys. You know why? Because Fumi Nation, you support me. Swipe up and shop. Use my discount code. Buy my merch. You support. I'm supporting you too. Anybody that messes with Fumi Nation, you come to me. Just come to me. I'll put them on blast. I'll be fair. You know, it will be very Judge Judy-esque. Judge Fumi. You just come, you know, state your case, and I'll put them on blast if they're guilty. If they're not, as a Fumi Nation, I'll come through the back and I'll be like, sis, wait a minute. Let's go through this again. All of my love. I'll see you very soon. Mwah.